There's a certain type of compliment that transcends the ordinary. It bypasses the logical mind and speaks directly to a woman's soul. These compliments aren't about flattery. They're about raw, unfiltered desire. They're about acknowledging the effect she has on you, the way she makes you feel, the things you shouldn't say but can't help but think. These compliments are dangerous, they're addictive, and they're exactly what you need to leave a lasting impression. In this video, I'm going to reveal 3 of these forbidden compliments. Use them wisely, gentlemen. Have you ever been around someone who just has this aura about them? You can't put your finger on it, but they draw you in. This compliment is about capturing that feeling. It's about acknowledging her magnetism, the way she makes you feel off-kilter in the best way possible. You know, there's something about you that drives me crazy, but I can't quite figure it out. It's like you're a puzzle I can't resist solving. Say it with a playful smirk, a hint of wonder in your eyes. The key here is the "I can't figure it out" part. It implies that she's complex, intriguing, a mystery you're dying to unravel. It's not about putting her on a pedestal. It's about expressing genuine fascination. This compliment sparks curiosity. It makes her wonder what it is about her that has this effect on you. It opens up the conversation for her to reveal more of herself, to show you the different facets of who she is. And trust me, when a woman feels like you're genuinely interested in discovering her depths, that's when the real connection begins. This compliment is all about tension, about acknowledging the effect she has on you, even if it's a little bit dangerous. It's about letting her know that she's a force to be reckoned with, that she has the power to turn your world upside down. I probably shouldn't say this, but damn, you're dangerous. You're a risk I'm willing to take. The "I probably shouldn't say this" is crucial. It creates an air of intimacy, like you're sharing a secret with her. It implies that you're a little bit reckless, a little bit impulsive when it comes to her. The key here is delivery. Say it with a low, husky voice, a hint of mischief in your eyes. Let her see that you're both excited and a little bit intimidated by her. This compliment is a game changer because it flips the script. It takes the pressure off of you to be on all the time and puts it on her. It makes her feel powerful, seductive and desired. And when a woman feels that way around you, she's going to want to keep you close. Chapter 3. You have no idea how hard it is to look at you and not touch you. This one is pure, unadulterated desire. It's about letting her know that she has a physical effect on you, that you're fighting the urge to reach out and touch her. You have no idea how hard it is to look at you and not touch you. Being this close to you is pure torture. The key here is vulnerability. You're not just complimenting her looks, you're admitting that she has a powerful effect on you. You're showing her that you're trying to be respectful, but she's making it damn near impossible. Say it with a soft, almost pained expression on your face. Let her see the struggle in your eyes. The tension between wanting and restraint is incredibly alluring. This compliment is so powerful because it's not just about physical attraction. It's about the emotional connection, the way she makes you feel like you're losing control. It's raw, it's honest, and it's incredibly effective. These compliments are just the tip of the iceberg, gentlemen. There's a whole world of powerful communication techniques out there waiting to be discovered. Remember, attracting a woman is about more than just words. It's about confidence. It's about presence. It's about understanding what makes her tick. It's about being the kind of man who can make her feel seen, desired, and cherished. So go out there, put these compliments into practice, and watch your dating life transform. Until next time, stay sharp, stay aware, and never be forgettable.